contractor down in Freeport, Iowa, small town outside of Decorah, working on a project. It's about 8,000 feet of replacement main. We're doing everything from installing the main to doing the house piping, relighting, and the restoration services of black dirt, seed, concrete, and blacktop. Crew makeup is 4-man crew, kind of makes for a very good core group, kind of like it is working with ECI Contracting, more of a family-owned business.
The goal of this project is to have all the gas main locatable for Black Hills and future contractors to come in and be able to do work without worrying about hitting a gas line. We have 90% of all the main in and up on gas already, and we are just now starting to put in services.
So with replacing all this main here in Freeport, Iowa, it does make it a lot safer for the community because now it'll be locatable. And this project's also eliminating some problems pipe.
We got a lot of tools to get our job done, and back then they really didn't. I mean, now we have tracer wire. I mean, back in the 70s, they didn't have tracer wire to put with the gas main. The trencher plow, I mean, we're using those to plow in the new services right along the old services. The suck vac, I mean, it's a big help sucking down 4 foot instead of hand digging down. And then the backhoe helps move dirt, all of our tools and all that stuff to each hole around the town. It's nice seeing everything done. We've had a lot of holes opened up and had to stay open just to continue the job. And now we're on services, we can dig a hole and then finish it and not have to look back.
A project like this is successful depending on the team that you have working on it. This core group of people that we have here on this project, where they've come in and done everything from installing the main by directional drill to locate all the unlocatable services, and working together to run the new services and also do the house piping and relighting all the residents out here.
This project has been right on schedule. We meet every day, just discuss what we're going to do. 1 year ago, we were having troubles getting construction crews, and ECI had represented themselves to our company. We replaced 300 services last year, and now this year that they are our full-time contractor, we have a lot of work for them, especially with this big replacement project.